Here we have a really nice 6-inch by 48-inch belt sander and disc sander combo. It's a 9-inch disc. Okay, we're going to power it up just to show you that it does operate. Your stop and your e-stop. It's 1.5 horsepower, 115 volt. It's unused. It's a shipping distressed item. We're going to show you that right now. There's just a small crack in the disc guard right here. And the disc itself, the shaft is okay. It's very straight. However, the disc itself was bent during shipment and it took a hit. So that'll probably have to be replaced. And then you have your cover. And this goes over the belt section right here. It's slightly tweaked. They might want to replace that also. And if you need to, you can probably do the case too. All the other components are in really good condition. We inspected it, we tested it. Everything looks pretty good. There's a couple little minor paint scratches. You can see right there. Some inside the base right there. And we thank you for looking at our product.